You see it everywhere. 50% off, 20% sale, buy one get one free? What do these signs mean? Well, first off, they're called percentages. And they do amazing things.
Hello! We are $5 sisters!
I am little sister.
I'm a big sister.
So, big sister, I was wondering, what does 50% and all of these other signs mean? I see them everywhere and I have no idea what they are.
Well, when you have a question, you know what to do. Let's Google. Wait a second. Today, we don't have to ask for Google. We have somebody else.
Yes, we have precisely PhD Professor Super Mega Ultra Smarty Pants Whitey.
Wow, that is a long name.
Yes.
Anyway, back to
at
you.
Hello, I am PhD Professor. Let's cut my name short. You can call me Professor Bun Bun. Today's lesson is percentages. We first need to know one whole is 100%. This is how everything starts. 100% of an orange, 100% of a cake, 100% of my brain. Did I mention that I am very super smart? That's a lot of brain for your information. 50% is half of a whole. 50% of an apple, 50% of a pie, 50% of your brain. Hey, that is very super tiny. Itty bitty. I will now demonstrate percentages for you in real life. Apple, please. Thank you, assistant. This is 100% of this apple. 50% of this apple is half. I will now demonstrate 50% of this apple, if I may. Achoo! There we go. See? 50% of the apple. Did I mention that I am a black belt in karate? Especially headbutting. I am very proud of that. Okay, now, half of 50% is 25%. I will now demonstrate. Ha-cha! Okay, some call this a quarter-urban apple. Whatever you want to call it, it is very small. Well, this lesson is over now. Back to you, humans. Ha-cha! Well, we definitely learned percentages in a very exaggerated way.
Yeah?
But anyway, let's apply this to real life.
All right.
So, we have one cake, and this cake is $10. Well, they have a 50% sale for all cakes in that store. If it costs $10 regularly, 50% must be 10 divided by 2, and that equals $5.
$5.
But anyway, a 50% sale of cake is $5. That is a very great bargain.
Well, let's say we have two different stores, have two different sides. One says buy one get one free. One says 50% off. Which one is a better bargain?
Well, let's say we want 2 cakes, same cake. So if the original price of each cake is $10, then the 50% off is surely better, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, as we explained before, 50% off of $10 is $5. But if you really think about it, $5 times 2 cakes, is the original price, $10. And the buy one get one free sale is the same. So if you really think about it, each store's bargain is the exact same. They're both $10.
So as a shopper, you always have to be smart. So if your goal is saving money, then 50% off will be better deal. But if your goal is to spend same money but get more product, then buy one get one free is better for you.
Well, we spent a lot of time on us and Mr. Bun Bun. Well, we need to shift the stage to Pinky and Whitey. It's time for
Party time!
Welcome welcome back to PEA News. This is Smiley P speaking, and today we have a challenge for you. Here we have 50% sweet candy and 50% spicy candy. If you get a sweet candy, you'll get 5 carrots. Which one will you choose? Good luck to you, citizens. Oh, looks like we have our first 2 contestants.
Ooh, I wanna try first.
Okay, which one will you choose? What's your name?
My name is Whitey, thank you. Ah, that is so spicy! Ah, I wanna try next time. Well, 50 chance, that means we're going to get sweet one this time. Let me try again.
Wait.
Ah, that is so spicy. That is not 50%. I give up.
Well, that's Whitey's turn. What will you try next? What's your name? My name is Pinky. Okay, Pinky. Well, would you like to try? Yes, I would. Well, if Whitey has gotten 2 spicy ones, and there are 4 candies, and it was supposed to be 50%, well, it means these remaining 2 are sweet candies. I will take my 10 carrots, please. Wow! Pinky is so smart. She knows math. She gets the 10 carat grand prize. Woo!
Oh, I was 100% unlucky today. I need some water. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
If you are awesome, hit the like button.
Goodbye.